Education is important for all individuals. All kids should learn and write in the school system. Then, what is education? Education is really teacher to students verbal learning transfer running in school system. It is defined as the education for high-class teachers. Teacher to students verbal learning transfer is provided in education system. It means education is providing talking classrooms in the name of quality education. Teacher to students verbal learning transfer is not effective. Then what will happen? Knowledge is not transferred in the classroom. Only teaching is going on. Students are listening and watching, speaking and listening. These two processes can't conduct learning transfer or knowledge transfer in the classroom. What is learnography? Learnography is quite different to education. Learnography is a book to brain motor knowledge transfer based on the facts and findings of neuroscience. Learnography has been designed to develop Brainpage modules in the classroom. Students will be active. Students will process book to brain knowledge transfer, and teachers will moderate the challenges and hardships of problem-solving activities. There is a difference between education and learnography. Learnography is not giving talking classrooms. Learnography is a book to brain motor knowledge transfer. For instance, education runs in school learning because school teaching is provided in the classroom, while learnography is rehearsed and processed in home learning. So, you can make it clear, school education and home learnography. Our kids are attending schools for school education, but they are making homework or project work at home. That's brain learning, making Brainpage modules, rehearsing and repeating the topics. And this is a home learnography. Home learnography and school education. We can manage classrooms for learnography, not for education. Learnography will be effective, and I think that students will take less time to achieve smart learning in subject matter. Thank you. Thank you everyone.